Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. Kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim. Innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. Kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim. Innaka Hamidum Majid. The hadith of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, which I am going to present today, is from the book of Kanzul Ummal, volume 6, page 160. And it is also reported in the Hujjatul Karam on page 428. And the hadith is that, which is reported by Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, the wife of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. She said that the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, Inna Jibrila akhbarani, that surely Gabriel has informed me, Anna Isa ibn Maryam, that Jesus, son of Mary, Asha Ishrina wa Me'ata Sanatin, lived 120 years. Now this hadith is very important in the sense that there are large number of Muslims in the world who believe that Jesus Christ is alive in the heaven and he will come again. We find that this belief is totally contrary to the Holy Quran and contrary to the sayings of the Holy Prophet ﷺ as well. In the Holy Quran, Allah the Almighty says, وَمَا مُحَمَّدٌ إِلَّا رَسُولٌ قَدْ خَلَتْ مِنْ قَبْلِ الرُّسُلِ. Muhammad ﷺ is a messenger of Allah, and all the messengers before him have passed away. And there are many other verses of the Holy Quran. But in the Hadith also, and there are many Hadith, this is one of those Hadith, where Holy Prophet ﷺ has mentioned the age of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, that he lived only 120 years. And now, more than 2,000 years have passed, and still Muslims say Jesus is alive in the heaven. So, as I said that Holy Prophet ﷺ said that whoever will memorize 40 ahadith and he will reform Muslims with those ahadith, on the Day of Judgment I'll intercede for him. And I'll request Allah the Almighty, oh Allah, forgive this person and he's a believer. So, one of the common mistakes and errors which we find in the Muslim world today is this belief that Jesus is alive in the heaven. So, we should remember and memorize some verses of the Holy Quran and the Hadith and try to reform people. And this will be a great service for the Muslims.